Hey. Here he is. Time for a road trip.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God, we're going on a road trip. I am stoked. We got all our gear, got some caffeine, and we're about to head to the Great Sand Dunes. Oh, I'm looking at myself here. I gotta look at
Well, I know, I do that too, and then I see my eyes on the recording. Hey, got the sunglasses on so you can't tell. We're gonna have a great time.
Getting some time lapse here, hoping those clouds clear up so I can get a little bit of the color.
With nothing more than the glow from my iPhone, I am recording a vlog with my partner in crime, Mark. We are under the stars, and unfortunately, sober. But we are in the wild nonetheless. Watch out. Photographer's gone wild.
little morning one-wheel action before we head from the Great Sand Dunes to Monument Valley. Spent the night camping at the base of Mount Blanca. It's so good to be out. An incredible road trip with my friend Mark. And then there's this guy.
Hell yeah!
This guy, I mean...
The Iron Sheik.
The Iron Mexican Sheik.
Oh, yeah. I actually found out there's some Middle Eastern in my blood.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There you go. Appropriate attire.
Yeah, apparently.
Let's have some more coffee.
A lot.
It's a look. On our way from the Great Sand Dunes to Monument Valley, we came across this gorgeous waterfall called Treasure Falls. And then we finally made it to Monument Valley, just in time for sunset. The next day brought us to Gooseneck Canyon. Every time I thought I was having a good time, this guy would come along and make it even better. I love him for that. Boys and their toys. So we got out our gear, set it up, and decided to play with time. First order of business, speed things up. And then, of course, we had to slow it down.
She's a thing of beauty! Yeah!
Woo! It is so gorgeous out here. I'm in photo and video heaven. Woo! Here we are, Valley of the Gods.
Yep, I was feeling pretty badass at this point. Anyway, before we left, we had one last time lapse to capture. I don't know about you, but I am so grateful for my friends. I wouldn't be where I am without them, nor would I want to be. I'll see you in the next one.